and welcome back to my channel. I'm in such a weird mood today. There are a lot of new subscribers, so I thought I would introduce myself. My name is Sophie, aka Sopherina. I put 3 videos out every single week and they're mainly on fashion and beauty with a lot of lifestyle-y chit-chats here and there. The sales have just hit the stores and I love a sale, I love a bargain, I love not paying the full price. So I am always the first in queue. Does it annoy you that girls' clothes are so much more expensive than men's clothes? Everything in today's try-on haul is from the ASOS sale. Okay, so before I begin showing you all the pieces I got, I ask you a question at the beginning of every video. And today's question of the video, hashtag QOTD, is are you going on holiday this year? I'm really intrigued, like are you going away anywhere, or are you having a staycation, or are you just having a few days to yourself, off of work, off of school, whatever you're doing. So that's today's question. Are you going on holiday this year? Let me know in the comments. And without rambling too much, let's just get to it. Okay, so item number 1 is this off-the-shoulder tea dress. And it's a gorgeous floral long dress. Must admit, the material is so much different to what I thought it would be. It looked very chic and very boho online, but the material is really heavy and thick. And it's kind of like that nylon material. It's just not what I thought. The skirt has these gorgeous ruffles at the bottom and it's an off-the-shoulder dress because you guys know how much I love anything off the shoulder. I ordered mine in a UK size 8 and I paid £24.50 for this, so let's try it on. Okay, so I'm not too sure about this dress. Online it looked beautiful, but now I have it, it's really heavy. I don't know, does it look okay? It's just not as flattering as I kind of wanted it to be. It has a really weird thick material and it's the material that I normally sweat out in. So I already know that I don't want to wear this when I'm really hot. This is why you're meant to buy and try, because had I just bought this not to try and I just stuffed it straight in my suitcase, I probably would not have worn this on holiday. Okay, so the next item is this gorgeous shoulderless playsuit and I think this is absolutely beautiful. I'm already in love with it. It's from the brand AX Paris. I paid £28 for this. All the prices that I'm reading out are the sale prices, by the way, and I just think it's gorgeous. The pattern is absolutely beautiful. It also feels really nice. It feels so like holiday beachwear, which I love. This I ordered in a UK size 8, but let's try it on and see what I think. I kind of love it already. Oh my goodness, I love this. This is so cute. I think it's such a pretty, gorgeous little jumpsuit. I absolutely love the print on this jumpsuit. I also love the double layer effect. I have previously mentioned in another video that I love double layered. I have big boobs. These kind of things on me I just think are really flattering. They have this double layer. They just kind of streamline your whole body. It's also got pockets. Hello, we all need pockets, girls, don't we? I just think it's absolutely gorgeous and I will definitely be taking this away on holiday. This is the kind of thing that is perfect in the summer. You slip it up, pair of knickers, maybe a bra, maybe not a bra, doesn't matter, it's got the double layered, and you're done for the day. That is what I love about these kind of clothes. Okay, next up we have another playsuit. This is from AX Paris again. I'm actually really impressed with the brand AX Paris. I'm always quite skeptical of them. I've had some very hit and miss pieces. A double overlay playsuit and it's so pretty. Again, the fabric is the same fabric as the jumpsuit I tried on before. This neckline is very similar to the dress I have on today, where it kind of circles just around your neck and then it's cold shoulder. I personally really like that neckline, and if you have bigger boobs, this is a flattering neckline for you. Fashion tip 101 from Sophie there. I ordered this in a UK size 8 and this cost me £25. Okay, before I even tried it on, I knew I would love this little playsuit. I love this. I think it's so cute. It's such a nice fit and I absolutely love the colour. This I can just imagine wearing in the evenings, on holiday, when you go for dinner. I just absolutely love this. I love the neckline. The neckline is my favourite thing. I hope it doesn't make me look too square because the overlay is quite long. I don't know if I look like a bar of soap or it looks okay. So just let me know in the comments. I would love that. I'm actually really impressed with AX Paris now. Yes! Okay, I'm a little bit worried about this because I'm liking everything so far. This next item is a gorgeous dress from Hollister. Obviously ASOS sells Hollister. Personally, I actually really like Hollister clothing. I think it's really nice, the women's wear, and it always fits me really well. Oh, it's a playsuit, not a dress. Just think it's gorgeous. It has these beautiful bell sleeves. It's so ditzy, it's so cute. I purchased it in a UK size small, which will be good for a UK size 8 to 10. This was actually only £27, so a little bit cheaper than one of the AX Paris jumpsuits. I literally knew I would love this. This is so cute. I am in love with the sleeves. I think I think these sleeves are so adorable. They're kind of covering my hand when it's like this. Are they meant to be that long? I don't know. But the playsuit feels absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful, really cooling material. It fits perfectly everywhere. It is a little slouchy on the shoulder area, but I don't mind that. I think it's meant to be because it's meant to be a very relaxed, easygoing kind of hippie style dress. I also really like the colour red. Normally I always avoid wearing red and I don't know why. I think it's quite a nice colour to wear. For me, I think this kind of item is a timeless piece. I will probably wear it for many summers to come. I do have Hollister dresses that I bought 5-6 years ago that I still wear. I also bought this completely sleeveless jumpsuit. This is really sweet and online it did look different to how it looks now, but actually I really like it. It is from the brand Parisian, and to be fair I don't really shop from them ever unless I'm on ASOS and I just see something I like. It has a zip going all the way down the side, which is good if you've got bigger boobs and you need this to squeeze on. The front of it is not stretchy, but the back has this lovely ruffle stretch. This was only £15 in the sale. So for me, I think that's a good price for a little summer item. Okay, admittedly, I'm not too keen on this. I just feel like the top bit sits really weird. It's kind of feeling like it's a bit slanty, like it's not sitting properly on me. I mean, there's all this boob baggage here, which isn't being used up, so I don't even think it would be good for someone with really, really small boobs. It doesn't feel too comfy either, and I'm pretty sure it's see-through. So if I was wearing my usual black knickers, then you could probably see them, and it's kind of digging into my skin here, so I don't know. I purchased this off the shoulder dress. This is so adorable. I think the print is absolutely gorgeous. Look how pretty and ditzy this is. I love the little cuff sleeves you have here. I just think they will look so cute, kind of just sitting on your arms. Would be perfect as a wedding guest. I purchased this in a UK 8 and in the sale it was £19.50. I think this is the cutest little dress. I really like it. It's a little bit hard to get on because this bit is not stretchy. I have quite a big derriere compared to the rest of my body, so it was a bit of a squeeze, but it does have a zip at the side. I think it's so pretty. The material does feel really nice on. It's very soft. I think it's such a cute little length as well. This is such a barbecue, summer fun, kind of wedding guest style dress. It's just so perfect. And it was only £15, so I'm actually really impressed with the price. Okay, so online, this looked really, really nice. Now I have it in person, I'm thinking I made a little bit of an error. I think it's a beach dress because it's 100% see-through, but it looks lovely on the girl online. It is basically this strappy dress and it's quite short. It has some yellow print flowers on and a ruffle hem skirt at the bottom. So the size I ordered this in is a UK size 8 and I paid £15.50 for this. Let's just cut to it. This is awful, it's going straight back. I did just have a look at the thing online and it doesn't say beach dress. And also the picture of the girl it doesn't really look see-through on her. Whereas as you can see on me, it looks, well, you can see everything, which is why I wasn't turning around for you in my little outfit show. It's not actually very comfy. I will say it's very soft though, so it feels nice on my skin. I've got enough beach dresses and throw over things. I don't really need this. I wanted this to be like a daytime play suit, but I would not be able to wear this during the day. The next item I purchased is this cute little skirt. I love this. I think the print is so pretty. This kind of thing will go with so many outfits. Well, basically you could wear a white top in this many times. I just think it's really cute. It's from the brand Brave Soul. Feels really nice. The only thing with these skirts, if you're going somewhere windy, then be prepared to show your knickers, because I've worn skirts like this before and they blow right up in any kind of wind. This was actually only £8 in the sale, which I think is so affordable. That's Primark prices in my eyes. Okay, it's a real shame. I absolutely love this skirt. I think it's beautiful. It feels so pretty, so girly, so flowy, but it's humongous around my waist. It's just way too big and it's not adjustable. I don't know why, because it is a size small. So I'm not sure if I needed maybe an extra small, but it's a lot bigger than I anticipated. So that is a real shame, because the skirt is gorgeous. I know this was very low on stock when I was ordering, so I'm going to send it back and try and exchange it for a size down. I would say if you see this online and you like it also, buy a size down from what you would normally buy, because the waist section is really big, especially if you have a smaller waist like myself. Okay, again from the brand Brave Soul, I purchased this swimsuit. Online it looked a lot nicer. I don't know, the orange colour on this just looks really cheap and a bit washed out. The swimsuit was actually £18 in the sale. Not cheap, in my opinion, not the cheapest. Okay, this swimming costume is okay. It's very ish-mish. Again, I just don't think it's as nice as it was on the girl online. It's also really short-bodied, so I feel like I'm trying to yank it up and it's not long enough. Obviously, I do have knickers on underneath this swimming costume, but I don't kind of want to show you very much. The reason being is because it just fits really weirdly and I'm quite self-conscious of my body today. I do kind of like the whole white swimming costume thing. I'm yet to find one that I suit and that fits me well. On me, I'm not sure about this one. It's also dragging my boobs down, so. Next, I purchased these gorgeous flowy shorts. I actually love these. I think they're from Brave Soul again. Oh no, they're from Parisian again. So they have the little dip hem ruffle at the bottom of the shorts. They're high waist and they're loose. They don't look like they're going to be too short, which is good. I really can't wear very short shorts because I have junk in my trunk that I'm not comfortable about getting out for the world to see. Okay, when I was putting these shorts on, I was thinking, these seem very long. They seem very high waist to the fact that they're literally under my boobs. And then I looked a little closer and I'd ordered these from the tall range. So they're actually a lot longer than I anticipated, but they don't come down longer, they go up longer. So they're sitting really far up my body. I think the shorts are really pretty. I'm just not keen on how it fits. So what I might do is exchange them for a normal size because I'm not very tall. So for me, this is a really weird fitting pair of shorts. But other than that, I think they're really cute. I think they're perfect for the summer seasons, for holiday, to just kind of wear with like a little plain white tee. I do like them, I'm just probably going to have to exchange them. So this was a bit of a random purchase. This is a jumpsuit and it's kind of like a daytime chill type jumpsuit. I thought it was really cute online, on the girl online. It has a tie front here with some rope. I love the marl grey colour, I think it's a gorgeous colour. I just thought these kind of things are perfect on holiday or in the summer if you've got a bikini on and you just want something light and airy to just pull over it. This was actually £18 and again it's from the company Brave Soul. I ordered this because I'm really into yoga and I saw this as a yoga onesie type thing. It looks really comfortable, it looks good on the girl online. I didn't really think this out though because it's one of those figure hugging things, so I don't know. not very confident about the fact that all I eat is mini rolls at the moment. I think it would be good for yoga. It's very stretchy, it fits on my whole body. It's sleeveless. I do like hot yoga, so I like to not have much on because hot yoga is very, very hot. It's actually ASOS branded and I paid £13 for this. I bought it in a UK small, so 8s to 10s. I hope you enjoyed the pieces I picked. I kind of loved most things, which is good. I always trust shopping off of ASOS because generally I love everything that I get sent. My favourite had to be the AX Paris leafy jumpsuit. I think that is so gorgeous and I cannot wait to wear it at all times. What was your favourite item? I would love to know in the comments down below. If you're not already, I would love it if you could join my beautiful family here on YouTube. Subscribe down below. Remember, I upload 3 videos every single week. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it and I will see you again very soon. Mwah. Bye!